Welcome back, traders. In this video, we are going to be looking at the best 15-minute gold scalping strategy. Okay, it's a simple yet powerful approach to trading gold. It is, it's a strategy that works on the lower time frame. Okay, so if you are looking for a structured method to scalp gold while minimizing risk, just stay tuned. All right, now why is gold perfect for scalping? You might have wondered, or you might have thought about that before. Gold is one of the most liquid and volatile assets in the forex market, making it ideal for short-term trades. Now, the 15-minute time frame provides a balance between fast trade opportunities and reduced market noise, making it perfect for scalpers. So instead of relying on random trades, this strategy focuses on precision, confluence, and risk management to ensure high probability setups. Okay, so now how do you set up the best 15-minute gold scalping strategy? To make the most of this strategy, we use a combination of indicators and price action analysis. All right. Some of the indicators to use include the 50 EMA. We're going to add the 50 EMA to the chart. All right. The 50 EMA. And the stochastic oscillator. All right. The 50 EMA and the stochastic oscillator set to the length 14, the D line 3. All right. So this helps confirm overbought and oversold levels. It helps to confirm overbought and oversold levels. Okay. Okay. So for your chart setup, you open the 15-minute chart on gold. You apply the 50 EMA and the stochastic oscillator indicators, and then you have to identify whether the market is trending or ranging before taking your trades. Okay, it's very important. You have to be aware of the prevailing market condition before executing your trade. For a buy trade, the price must be above the 50 EMA. It's compulsory, confirming an uptrend. All right. So once you have confirmed an uptrend with the aid of the 50 EMA, you look at the stochastic. All right. You ensure that the stochastic oscillator is below the 20 level, meaning oversold. Okay. So once that has happened, you watch out for the crossover. You can see, let the stochastic oscillator, the main line should cross above the signal line. There should be this crossover to the upward direction. So once this green crosses above this brown, once the crossover occurs, that confirms the upward move. Then the next thing for you to do is watch out for a bullish candlestick pattern. You can see that we had a morning star around here, right? You can see that we had a morning star around here. So this confirms the buy. That confirms the buy. So you can see that the conditions are price must be above the 50 EMA, stochastic must be in oversold and crossing upwards, and then a bullish candlestick pattern must form. Those are the conditions. So now we can enter our buy trade. After entering our buy trade, we can set our stop loss below the previous swing low, and then for our take profits, we can target the next key resistance zone. The next key resistance zone can be for our take profit. All right. Okay. Or you can decide to exit your buy trade when the stochastic oscillator gets into the overbought territory. All right. Now for a sell trade, you must ensure that price is below the 50 EMA. Price must be below the 50 EMA. Okay. And then you ensure that the stochastic has entered overbought territory. Okay, let's look for another example since we didn't find a good one there. All right, so this is another example. Price must be below the 50 EMA. Stochastic must be above the 80 level, that is overbought, and crossing downwards. There must be a downward cross. All right. So you look out for a bearish candlestick pattern. You can see that we had you can see these three black crows. You can see this three black crows pattern that we had here, right? This series of three bearish candlesticks, and then you can see that that was right after the price dropped below the overbought territory, and price was already below the 50 EMA. So this was a good place to enter a sell, and then you can set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and you can target key support zones for your take profit. All right. Now, it's important for you to know that not every setup is valid, or you can decide to exit your sell trade when the price gets into the oversold territory. Okay. So now here is how to filter out low quality trades. You need to avoid trading during major news events, okay, because gold reacts heavily to news. Okay. And then ensure that all indicators align before entering a trade. It is very important. Ensure that all indicators align before entering a trade. And you need to avoid trading in choppy or sideways markets. Look for strong trends. Okay? Look for strong trends. It is very important. Now, scalping gold requires strong risk management to protect your capital. You need to have risk management practices in place if you want to scalp gold. All right. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance per trade. Okay. And always use a stop loss to prevent unnecessary drawdowns. Do not assume that your strategy is accurate. Do not assume that your strategy is 100% accurate. Do not assume that your strategy is the best. There is no strategy that is foolproof. There is no strategy that guarantees profit. So make sure that you have an exit plan. Make sure that you have stop losses in place. Okay, stick to your strategy. Do not overtrade or chase the market. It is very important. All right. So while making use of this strategy, ensure that your emotions are in check. Try not to be greedy. Try to stick to the rules and be consistent and disciplined. Okay. So that is the best 15 minutes gold scalping strategy explained step by step. All right. Now, there are many other strategies that you can use to scalp gold with, but in this particular video, we discussed the strategy that involves the 50 EMA and the stochastic oscillator, and of course, paying attention to price action as well, making use of candlestick patterns. All right. And do not forget about support and resistance zones as well. Okay. Because they also help to, confirm possible reversal points. Like imagine having a bullish candlestick pattern around the support or a bearish candlestick pattern around a resistance. That's going to add to the strength of that rejection. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more powerful trading setups. Drop a comment below. Do you scalp gold or do you prefer longer time frames? Let us start a discussion. See you in the next video and happy trading.